Have you ever picked a cucumber from the garden, taken that first bite, and thought, why is this bitter? Cucumbers should be crisp, refreshing, juicy, and sweet, not tough, rubbery, watery, or unpleasant. So today we are talking about how to grow cucumbers the right way, what causes them to struggle, and the top 5 best tasting cucumber varieties for beginners. And yes, we are ranking them from last place to first place, saving the best tasting cucumber for the end. So, let's grow by zone. Cucumbers are a warm season crop that grow best in USDA zones 4 through 12. In cooler zones, plant them after your last frost once the soil has warmed. In warmer zones, you may be able to grow cucumbers in spring and again in fall. Cucumbers are believed to have originated in South Asia, especially around India, where they have been grown for thousands of years. Today, they are one of the most popular garden crops in the world for fresh eating, pickling, salads, and summer meals. The name cucumber comes from the Latin word cucumis, which referred to the cucumber plant. And once cucumbers get growing, the name is easy to remember because this is one of those garden crops that can go from tiny vine to overflowing harvest fast. For beginners, there are 3 main cucumber types to know: slicing cucumbers, pickling cucumbers, and burpless cucumbers. Slicing cucumbers are best for salads and fresh eating. Pickling cucumbers are smaller, firmer, and great for crunchy pickles. Burpless cucumbers are usually milder, thinner skinned, and easier to digest. And even though we use cucumbers like a vegetable, botanically speaking, they are actually a fruit because they grow from a flower and contain seeds. Cucumbers are low in calories and full of water, which makes them one of the most refreshing crops you can grow. They also provide vitamin K, antioxidants, potassium, and magnesium. Now let's talk about planting cucumbers, what they love, what causes them to struggle, how to harvest them, and how to store them after harvest. Cucumbers are easy to grow from seed. Plant seeds directly in the garden after your last frost once the soil has warmed. You can also start them indoors about 3 to 4 weeks early, but be careful when transplanting because cucumbers do not like their roots disturbed. Plant cucumber seeds about 1 inch deep in loose, rich, well-draining soil. For beginners, I recommend growing cucumbers on a trellis because it saves space, improves airflow, keeps the fruit cleaner, and makes harvesting much easier. Cucumbers love full sun, warm weather, compost-rich soil, and consistent moisture. Steady watering is very important because dry spells, heat stress, and uneven moisture can lead to bitter or misshapen cucumbers. Pollination is also important. If tiny cucumbers start forming and then shrivel, turn yellow, or fall off, poor pollination may be the problem. Cucumbers usually need bees to move pollen from the male flowers to the female flowers. You can also hand pollinate by touching a small paintbrush or cotton swab inside a male flower, then brushing that pollen inside the female flower. The female flower is easy to spot because it has a tiny cucumber shape behind the bloom. Stress is typically what causes cucumbers to struggle. Cold soil, overcrowding, poor pollination, inconsistent watering, and extreme heat can all slow the plant down or affect the taste and quality of the fruit. Cucumbers are usually ready to harvest about 50 to 70 days after planting, depending on the variety. Pick them when they are young, firm, and the right size for that cucumber type. Do not leave them on the vine too long because oversized cucumbers can become tough, seedy, watery, and bitter. After harvest, store cucumbers in the refrigerator in a produce bag or lightly wrapped so they do not dry out. For the best flavor and crunch, use them within about 1 week. Now let's talk about the common problems cucumbers face. Cucumbers can struggle with powdery mildew, downy mildew, bacterial wilt, root rot, yellowing leaves, and pest pressure. Most of these problems come from poor airflow, wet leaves, overcrowding, or stressed plants. The main harmful pests to watch for are cucumber beetles, aphids, squash bugs, spider mites, and pickle worms in warmer areas. Cucumber beetles are especially important because they can spread bacterial wilt. For natural prevention, grow cucumbers on a trellis, water at the base of the plant, avoid splashing the leaves, remove damaged foliage, and use row covers early in the season before flowers appear. Beneficial insects can also help. Bees support pollination, while ladybugs, lacewings, hoverflies, parasitic wasps, and ground beetles
¿Ya se
help
la
control
quitaste?
pests naturally. For companion planting, cucumbers grow well near dill, nasturtiums, marigolds, sunflowers, borage, oregano, radishes, beans, and peas. These plants can help attract pollinators, bring in beneficial insects, and support a healthier cucumber harvest. Now let's rank the top 5 best tasting cucumber varieties for beginners from last place to first place. Coming in at number 5 is the Boston Pickling. This cucumber is crisp, snappy, and refreshing with that classic garden cucumber flavor. It is especially good if you love crunchy homemade pickles. Number 4 is Marketmore 76. Marketmore has a clean, cool, refreshing taste with a nice, crisp bite. It is a reliable slicing cucumber for salads, sandwiches, and fresh summer eating. Number 3 is Straight 8. Straight 8 has an old-fashioned cucumber flavor, crisp, juicy, mild, and refreshing. It is great if you want that traditional backyard garden cucumber taste. Number 2 is Diva. Diva is tender, mild, sweet, and almost never bitter. It has thin skin, a smooth crunch, and a fresh flavor that makes it perfect for eating straight from the vine. The number 1 winner for the best flavor and crisp is Sweet Success. It is crisp, juicy, mild, and naturally sweet with very little bitterness. If you want a cucumber that tastes fresh, clean, and refreshing right out of the garden, this is my top pick. If this helped, like, share, subscribe, and download the free one-page cucumber guide. Here on Grow by Zone, we are growing plant by plant, zone by zone, helping you grow smarter wherever you live.